Let's talk about how you can use the CourseVector plugin's dashboard. First, you want to hover over the CourseVector logo. Then, click on Dashboard. Here's all the info the dashboard displays. On the Project section, you can see all the projects under your account. This site only has one, the Yearly Update Plan. Going from left to right, this plan renews yearly, meaning their credits will reset on the renewal date, April 1st, 2026. Each time this is reset, they will get $700 worth of credits to spend. Right now, they have about $500 left to spend. Moving on to the invoices, they have 9 past invoices, and they have all been paid in full. Since they have all been paid, their current balance is $0. Here, you can see all invoices you may owe and a convenient link to pay now. This links to our payment form, which you can use to quickly pay any invoice you may have. Remember to check the dashboard often to make sure you don't miss any invoices that may come in.